We are Prism Lighting Group. Our goal is to provide high-quality, innovative LED lighting solutions that are intelligently designed and easy to install. With Lovo LED Recessed Lights, you can daisy chain up to 6 fixtures in a row, and if more lights are needed, simply add multi-point connectors to link all the lights to a single power supply. It would take the same time to install 6 Lovo Recessed LED lights as it takes to hardwire one conventional light. No hardwired connections required. Just pop the light into place, connect the FC connectors to the power supply or dimmer control, and you are set. This provides huge savings in installation labor and electricity costs. The Lovo FC connector system makes installing and changing out fixtures easier and faster than ever. With the Lovo LED Recessed Lights, you can create your desired lighting effect with complete dimming control. Lovo LED Recessed Lights are fully dimmable from 0 to 100% and compatible with most low-voltage PWM dimmers and controllers. The innovative Prism Dimmable Inline Driver offers choice of light intensity using a wall switch, a wireless remote, or even an app. By incorporating Prism's Lovo Smart Voice Control, you can operate our Lovo LED Recessed Lights with readily available products such as Alexa Plus and Google Home Voice Control. Lovo LED recessed light fixtures can adapt to any environment from residential to commercial environments. Lovo LED recessed light fixtures are ideal for trade show exhibit structures and retail spaces where easy, fast, and simple installation and dismantle is paramount. Lovo Series LED recessed light fixtures from Prism Lighting Group are an easy-to-use, value-driven, and incredibly safe lighting solution. No recessed lighting system in the market is equal to the Prism Lovo system. And above all, it's such a simple installation system, anyone can do it. This provides significant savings in electricity costs and installation labor, along with making future updates much easier and faster. Plus, you have the comfort of knowing there is an unprecedented 5-year warranty on the Lovo LED recessed light fixtures, with the assurance that all applicable components are provided from a single source you can always rely on. Prism Lighting Group.